Today, we're counting down 50 fascinating facts about orangutans that will completely change the way you see them. Let's begin. 1. Orangutans are one of the great apes, alongside humans, gorillas, bonobos, and chimpanzees. 2. The word orangutan comes from the Malay language and means person of the forest. 3. Orangutans share nearly 97% of their DNA with humans. 4. They are found naturally only on the islands of Borneo and Sumatra. 5. There are 3 species of orangutans: Bornean, Sumatran, and Tapanuli. 6. The Tapanuli orangutan is the rarest great ape in the world. 7. Orangutans spend more time in trees than almost any other great ape. 8. They are considered the largest arboreal mammals on Earth. 9. An adult male orangutan can weigh over 200 pounds, or about 90 kilograms. 10. Their arm span can reach over 7 feet, longer than many humans are tall. 11. Orangutans are incredibly intelligent and can solve complex problems. 12. Scientists have observed orangutans using tools in the wild. 13. They use sticks to extract insects or seeds from hard-to-reach places. 14. Some orangutans even use leaves as makeshift gloves or umbrellas. 15. They build a new nest almost every night to sleep in. 16. These nests are carefully woven from branches and leaves. 17. Baby orangutans stay with their mothers longer than almost any other animal besides humans. 18. Young orangutans may remain with their mothers for up to 8 years. 19. Female orangutans usually give birth only once every 6 to 9 years. 20. That makes orangutans one of the slowest reproducing mammals on Earth. 21. Orangutans are mostly solitary animals. 22. Adult males often live alone and defend large territories. 23. Despite their size, orangutans move quietly and gracefully through trees. 24. They can travel long distances by swinging from branch to branch. 25. Orangutans are mainly fruit eaters. 26. They especially love figs, lychees, and durian fruit. 27. When fruit is scarce, they eat bark, insects, leaves, and even soil for minerals. 28. Orangutans have excellent memories and remember where fruit trees are located. 29. Some researchers believe orangutans possess a basic understanding of future planning. 30. Wild orangutans have been observed making different vocal calls for communication. 31. Adult male orangutans produce a loud, long call that can travel over a kilometer. 32. These calls help attract females and warn rival males. 33. Male orangutans develop large cheek pads called phalanges as they mature. 34. Not all adult males develop phalanges at the same age. 35. Orangutans are highly emotional animals and display joy, fear, curiosity, and grief. Some rescued orangutans have shown signs of depression after losing family members. 37. They can recognize themselves in mirrors, a sign of advanced intelligence. 38. Orangutans have been taught sign language and symbol communication in captivity. 39. They are excellent imitators and can learn by watching others. 40. In some rehabilitation centers, orangutans have learned to use simple human tools. 41. Orangutans play a major role in maintaining rainforest ecosystems. 42. By spreading seeds through their droppings, they help forests regenerate. 43. Because of this, orangutans are sometimes called gardeners of the forest. 44. Their biggest threat is habitat destruction from logging and palm oil plantations. 45. Illegal hunting and the pet trade also threaten orangutan populations. 46. Thousands of orangutans have lost their homes due to forest fires. 47. Conservation groups around the world are working to protect orangutans and their habitats. 48. Some rescued orphaned orangutans attend forest school before returning to the wild. 49. Orangutans can live more than 40 years in the wild and even longer in captivity. 50. Perhaps the most fascinating fact of all, orangutans remind us just how deeply connected humans are to the natural world.